What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you in ClickFunnels how to integrate ClickFunnels with MailChimp. So first off, obviously you're going to need a MailChimp account and a ClickFunnels account. And the first place you're going to want to go is to, in the top right hand corner of your ClickFunnels account, just go down to Account Settings, click on that button, and it's going to bring you to this screen. And then on the left side, you're going to scroll down to Integrations and click that button. And you're going to want to click Add New Integration and scroll down to MailChimp. Click on that. Now, I've already connected a MailChimp account, so it's giving me this warning. That's okay. We don't need to actually connect my account to show you all the steps. So first off, integration nickname, that's just for your personal use. So you can, say MailChimp for this business or that list or whatever. So put that there. And then the next thing you're going to need is called an API key. So I'm going to show you where to get that. But basically this API key is a secret string of numbers and letters that lets MailChimp know that you're giving permission to an external app, in this case ClickFunnels, to use all of your information inside of MailChimp, all of your lists and contacts and all that stuff. So we're going to go get that API key from MailChimp. So to do that, go into your MailChimp account, click on your account icon there and click Account. And then over here, go to Extras and API Keys. And it's going to have a list of the API keys you've created. If you haven't created any yet, then go ahead and click Create a Key. And it's going to give you this really long string of numbers and letters. And you're just going to copy that and paste it right here in the API key. Pretty simple. Click Add Integration, and it should connect and say, integration successful. And from now on, MailChimp is going to be one of your options that you can connect any opt-in form or order form or anything like that in your ClickFunnels account with this MailChimp account. So that's it. That's how you connect it account-wide. But let me show you how to set it up with a specific opt-in page or form or whatever, a specific page or a specific funnel. So in that case, you're going to want to open the funnel that you want to integrate with your MailChimp account or a particular list. In this case, I'm going to open this in a new tab, this test funnel, and it looks, I'll show you what the whole funnel will look like. So this is what the whole funnel looks like, and you can see this is an opt-in page. That's what type of funnel step or page it is. I'm going to click Edit Page. Now, this page is using a pop-up to collect addresses. So, you can see this is what it's going to show up. This is where they're going to put in their email address. The way to connect that to MailChimp is to go to Settings and Integrations. And let's just assume I didn't have anything set up. Now that you've integrated your MailChimp account with your ClickFunnels account, it should show up as one of the options inside this list. And so in this case, we can click on this MailChimp account and then so now anytime somebody puts their email into that email box that you saw, it's going to automatically get subscribed to whichever list you choose down here. So the actions available are add to list or remove from list. You can actually remove people from certain lists in MailChimp if you want, whenever they opt in on this page. Most of the time though, you're going to want to add them to a specific list. So you're going to click Add to List, and it's going to pull up a list of your lists inside of MailChimp. So you create the list inside MailChimp, and then they'll show up here. And if they don't show up in this drop-down menu of lists, you can just click this Refresh List from API, and it should pull in all of the lists that you have in your MailChimp account into that. And then you should be good to go. Click Save, and now this page is integrated with MailChimp. So if you have any questions about that or anything else funnel or ClickFunnels related, feel free to drop them in the comments below this video. I'd be happy to answer them. And if you haven't yet signed up for ClickFunnels, I do offer some bonuses and some extra support for helping you get set up if you sign up through my referral link. That would really help me in supporting this channel, and I'd love to offer you some bonuses and some extra support for that. Sometimes, you know, just having somebody who's experienced with the platform can save you tons of time. And so I'd love to connect with you there. You can go to salesfunnelnomad.com/bonus to check out some of those bonuses. And even if you do have a ClickFunnels account, I have some other offers for other products that I think could help your business. Or I'd still love to connect with you. You know, it's nice to meet other ClickFunnels users, help each other grow our businesses together. And there are some other affiliate offers there too that would certainly help me out and hopefully help you out even more than they help me. So thanks for watching the video. Please leave comments, questions below, and I'll see you in another